Hello everyone. In this episode, I'm going to take you to an interesting place which is very closer to my heart. If you've seen the earlier episodes, if you have been following Rat Street Tribe, the Instagram stories, you will definitely get to know what I'm talking about. And this is none other than my favorite brand, BMW. And only yesterday the Adventure motorcycle has been launched, the top of the line, the world famous 1250 GS and 1250 GSA. These two motorcycles have been launched. So I'm in Delhi right now at Lutyens Motorrad. So we'll take you inside and show you these two wonderful looking motorcycles, quite capable motorcycles. So let us go inside. These are the two 1250 GS Adventure models that have been launched yesterday, and I'm here at Lutyens Motorrad, Delhi. So let me show you how the bikes are. So this is the GS model. This is the rally color. You can see, and this one is the GS Adventure. So by the looks, I'm sure you've got an idea of how the Adventure is different from the other one. This has protectors, comes in the special 40-year color, yellow black, and it has the pannier setup also, aluminium. So the basic difference between both these models is the suspension travel is different. Although the suspension setup is same, the suspension travel in both these models are different. And it comes with these adaptive lightings. So what it does is that up and down it goes till 2 degrees, and left and right also. From a 35-degree lean angle if you take, so the lights will blink automatically. So this means that whenever you're in a corner, you're leaning, you get more visibility. And this has a 20-liter tank. That one has a 30-liter tank. Electronics are all the same. This comes with 135-36 bhp. And you can see these golden rims, which are the trademark for Adventure models. And they look damn cool. So let me just turn the lights on. Here we go. These smart looking lights, auxiliary lights, and here is a small box, a storage space where you can keep your keys. The key, you don't have to put it here. There is no cabinet for putting in the keys, but you can keep it in your pocket, you can keep it there. So this is how the key looks like. Yeah. So you can take it out and put it in your pocket. This is like a USB thing. And a lot of electronics, a lot of riding modes. It's a beautiful looking machine.
I think this is what we can explain.
Okay, thank you so much. So this is the face mask. Thank you so much, Lutyens Motorrad, for helping me out. BMW India has been supporting me in terms of service for the ride, and Lutyens Motorrad has been kind enough to help me with the service support and this lovely little thing. So stay tuned to our channel. Please like, subscribe, and we'll keep you posted. Have a wonderful day.